ChatGPT is the AI sensation everyone's been talking about, but have you been struggling with how to level up your life with ChatGPT? And even if you're using it, are you harnessing its full potential? Regardless of your answer, relax, because this video will let you know the top 10 awesome ways to use ChatGPT to level up. Listen in as we give you the lowdown on AI. Okay, so let's start with number 10, market and product research. When it comes to market research with ChatGPT, precision is key. So begin by specifying the product or service you want insights on. Give demographic details about your audience and try asking ChatGPT to imagine being in their situation. For instance, we tasked it with helping us identify potential customers in Birmingham, Alabama, interested in web design services. With the right prompt, it offered valuable information like age groups, income levels, education backgrounds, and specific locations. With Birmingham, that would be our prime demographic to target. However, remember that its responses should not be taken as true. Always verify the information through further research to ensure accuracy. It's a fantastic tool, but it's wise to double check the facts for the most reliable insight. And the same goes with the product's research too. Moving on to number 9, write and debug the code. If you're a web developer, you've probably encountered those frustrating code errors or console issues on your website. Well, ChatGPT is here to make your coding life easier. You can simply present it with a well-constructed prompt, and it will help you identify and understand common code problems. But what if your coding conundrum is more complex? No need to worry, because it can handle that too. It can generate code for you. Whether you're dealing with CSS, HTML, JavaScript, PHP, or other programming languages, it's got you covered. For beginners, it's like having a patient coding tutor. It can explain the purpose of code, even complex scripts, in a way that's easy to grasp. Next, number 8, proofread and edit your documents and emails. Have you ever found yourself struggling with wordiness, spelling errors, or missing crucial points in your writing? Well, we all are actually. Whether you're crafting blog posts or composing important emails, this AI can aid in revising, condensing, and enhancing your content. Here's a useful tip. After you've written a section on text, input it into ChatGPT and request improvements while retaining your original writing style. By doing this, you maintain control over the content while benefiting from ChatGPT's editing ability. Isn't it amazing? I know, but stick with us for more incredible tricks. Alright, number 7, generate content and copy for your website. Let's dive into how you can utilize ChatGPT to boost your website's content. This AI can be your creative partner, helping you brainstorm ideas, come up with attention-grabbing post titles, draft compelling briefs, or even shape detailed FAQs. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that relying entirely on AI to compose your entire article or post is not recommended. Not only does this raise ethical concerns, but major search engines like Google also have reservations about AI-generated content, which could negatively impact your website's search ranking. Think of ChatGPT as your helpful companion, providing guidance, inspiring your imagination, and discovering facts you might have overlooked. But here's a key consideration: always fact check the information it generates, as there is a chance it could provide inaccurate data. Number 6, start and write a blog. Blogging can be a real brain teaser sometimes, but not anymore. Need some fresh keywords to boost your blog's visibility? Just toss ChatGPT a good prompt and it'll serve up keyword ideas based on your chosen topic. Once you've got your topic sorted, it can even generate some catchy headlines. For instance, when we ask it to work its magic on WordPress, it handed over a list of 15 intriguing topics. We picked WordPress design trends and boom, it gifted us with 10 snazzy titles to choose from. But that's not all. We also asked it to outline a post about responsive design in WordPress, and it delivered a list of main points to kickstart our content. Sure, we tweaked it here and there, but it did give us a solid foundation to begin drafting our post. Blogging just got a whole lot easier. Now, going to number 5, create, edit, and update your resume to make it stand out. Of course, it can also make your resume. Sure, there are countless resume builders out there, but ChatGPT brings something special. It can be your resume writing guru, offering valuable guidance, suggestions, and formatting tips. All you need to do is provide some key information about your work history, education, skills, achievements, and any other details you want on that golden document. But wait, if you're a bit hesitant to share your personal info, it has a trick up its sleeve. Just let it know the job you're aiming for. Like, say, staff writer at PC World, and it'll give you a neat resume template. No personal data required, and all you need to do is later fill in the blanks. Easy, right? I told you. Well, time for number 4, planning an epic trip using ChatGPT as your travel guide. It can step in as your trustworthy virtual travel guide. How? Just share your destination and it'll provide you with a wealth of information, recommendations and travel advice. Keep in mind though, its knowledge is rooted in data up into 2021, so while it can't give you the lowdown on the latest hipster joint that just opened, it can still be a treasure trove of insights. You know, when I once told it about my plans to visit Taipei, Taiwan, and asked for its recommendations, it came through with a solid list of must-visit attractions, and its suggestions for local cuisine were spot on. So yeah, it's cool. You can trust it as your travel guide. Number 3. Expand your knowledge by playing trivia. Who doesn't love a trivia game? Well, let's put this AI to the test. You can challenge it with your own brain teasers or have it come up with some questions. Just let it know that you're up for the game. Tell it the topic you're interested in or let it surprise you and watch the questions roll in. For instance, I once decided to take on the challenge. My task, 5 questions on quantum physics. I gave my answers and it did its thing grading me on my quantum knowledge. I must confess, I only got 3 out of 5 right. And a little help from Google may have been involved, but trust me, ChatGPT is really your thing. Reaching to second last, number 2, creating a personalized workout plan. Yes, it can make a workout plan just for you. You tell it things like your age, how fit you are, goals, available equipment, and if you have any health issues, it'll give you a plan that fits your needs. And if you're not sure what to input, no worries, just ask ChatGPT what it needs to create the perfect workout plan for you. It's like having a personal trainer at your fingertips. Finally, the number 1 trick is generate a healthy meal plan with recipes and create your grocery list. Imagine you're in your kitchen staring at a handful of ingredients, but you're unsure about how to turn them into a meal. This is where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. It offers user-friendly interaction that starts with you simply asking it for a recipe. You can be as specific or as open-ended as you like. For instance, you might say, I have chicken and broccoli, what can I make? Or request a recipe within a particular cuisine or specific dietary preferences. It takes your input and suggests recipes based on the ingredients you've mentioned. Once you've selected a recipe, it provides you with a detailed step-by-step guide. It breaks down the cooking process into easy-to-follow instructions, making it accessible for beginners. No more guessing about ingredient measurements. It tells you exactly how much of each ingredient you need, eliminating the need for searching, conversion charts or estimating quantities. And here's a handy bonus, ChatGPT can generate an instant grocery list based on the recipe you've chosen. This feature streamlines your trip to the store, ensuring you won't forget any essential items. So these are the top 10 awesome ways to use ChatGPT to level up. But let me ask you, what's the most creative or unusual way you've used ChatGPT to level up your life? Share your insights and experiences in the comments below. Like and subscribe and keep the conversation going.